The Google Play Store service is not being turned on in any way. If you have problems like mine, see how to solve them. Go to Mobile Settings. Now scroll down and click on Apps. Then click on Manage Apps. Now find the Google Play Store from the list of these apps. Now click Clear Data. Hopefully your problem will be solved. Now go back to home screen. This way you can fix your problem. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe.